Hi guys, today we're gonna play some Terraria. So yeah, we're gonna do some stuff. Just gonna gameplay. Oh, what is that? It's a glitch. Gonna get some fish here. Do you have more? No, it's an eye. Oh yeah. Oop, the zombie. Oh, it's a demon eye again. It's gonna farm. It's gonna go to the underworld. Let's see it. I get some water leaf. I have no any of that because I need it. So let's check for water leaves because I really need that to my potion. Wait, let's see if I can break this. And the water goes splash. Nope, there's only a little hole. Oh no, flood. Oh no, I'm refilling the hole. Oh no, oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Shoot him. Shoot the vulture. Gonna summon this. Wait, I have a better plan. Gonna remove this sunblock here. Let's remove some sunblock. Make a C. Here we go. Need some blocks here. No, you cover this. So you cover this too. Get out of here, I don't need you. So let's make a C. A mini C. Protect me imp. This imp is really good. Work hard to gather this imp stuff. Let's make it more right here. Here we go. Like sea wonders. No, let's make it deeper. Why not? Let's make a sea. Get out of here. So yeah, just gonna mine these blocks here. Just gonna mine these blocks. Maybe that's over. Just gonna mine a few more here. To make it more deeper. There we go. Oh, why disturb it? Don't need to disturb it. No water leaf? Man, that's so crazy. No water leaf. Why? Just gonna collect this cactus. Where's my hammocks? Collect these for speed. Why it does not spawn water leaves. I need water leaf. What can I get? How can I get a water leaf while we are sitting? Well, that's interesting. I can do that now. Oh, is the dungeon? Another dungeon loot. Let's go in here. Oh. Let's see if I can find some water boats. Nope, none of these. Nope, none. I'm not lucky at all. Come on, show up. Get out of here, angry bone. Don't need your angry bones. Your bones. It's a mechanic. Stuck in there. Hey, get out. Get out. Don't need you. Oh no. Oh yeah, we get some gold key. Ooh. We need that for a boss fight again. See my last episode? The Cthulhu fight in the Skeleton. Do not speak in Skeleton. I don't know why. It's called like this. No, they need that. So we need open chests. Maybe there's a what called that blue sword thingy? Masa? I don't know. Just yeah. Oh man, so many monsters. So many monsters. I'm gonna die. So many monsters. Ooh, heart statue. Gotta need those. Hey, don't shoot. Gotta need those statues. No. Ooh, necro helmet. Why I cannot mind it? What's the necro helmet? Ooh. Just equip this thingy. Whoa, look like a shark. Okay, let's get into here. Get out. I need my permission. Oh no, I'm cursed. Get out of my way. I don't need you. No, do not kill me. Ooh. Yes, we got this. Oh, savage. Oh, this looks cool. Yeah, we collect this. First mission gathered. Oh, flaming arrow. I need that. Some more golden key. Run. I need a better healing potion. Yep, need this. Oh, I'm gonna die. No. Hey. Oh man, so nervous. When I get into the dungeon, I'm so nervous because so many skeletons here. Get out. Hope more golden. No more golden anything. Come on, get out of here. No need you. Now how am I get up? That's our problem. Oh, wait. Maybe I can. Oh, I'm just gonna go. Come on, let's go. No. Oh, we got gold. That's bad. That's savage. Get out, slime. Gonna need those torch. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video and sure you yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Please enjoy. Goodbye.